SAT students need to watch out. I recently saw a tutor post a hack about the SAT that is not correct. I saw that anytime you see an answer choice with a comma, fanboys, that is always the correct answer. No, it is not. Let me show you an example where that would get you negative points on the test because you would be getting it wrong. Obviously not really negative points, 0 points, but that is still less than what you deserve. This hack is bad and this is why. The SAT rule you may have heard is wrong. And if you've learned this shortcut, it is going to cost you points on the digital SAT. Let's take a look together at a grammar question number 23. While many video game creators strive to make their graphics ever more lifelike or lifelike, but others look to the past, developing titles with visuals inspired by the 8-bit games of the 1980s and 1990s. Notice we have this comma, ing verb phrase. That's what we call a participial phrase. Very important for you to have those mastered. Now, I've been told by other TikTok creators that comma but is always correct on the SAT. That is not true in this case. D is actually not the right answer. If you assumed that D was correct, what you need to do right now is hit that follow button because you cannot be getting bad information before you head into the test. What we actually have at the beginning is what we call a dependent clause. The subject is video game creators. The verb is strive, but it can't stand on its own because of this subordinating conjunction. Sometimes we refer to those as awubis words. Although, when, while, wherever, because, if, since, unless, there's a lot of words that could fit in there. Dependent clause at the beginning of a sentence is always offset with a comma. So I can eliminate B, I can eliminate A, which is cool. But why is it C and not D? Because a comma, fanboys in this case separating two clauses, can only be used for independent clauses. Independent clause, comma, fanboys, independent clause. For a dependent clause into an independent clause, others look to the past as the independent clause, I can only use a comma. C is the correct answer, not D. Great work and happy studying.